When you think about what damages a roof, you probably think of hail, wind, or heavy rain. But what about the sun? Can years of heat and UV exposure actually shorten the life of your roof, even if it's never been through a major storm? In this video, we're going to explain how heat and ultraviolet rays affect your roof, what signs of damages to look for, and how you can help your roof last longer. By the end, you'll understand why the hottest days of the year can be just as hard on your roof as some of the biggest storms. Hey, my name is Nick and I work for Hoel Roofing and Remodeling, and one of the main questions that I get is how does heat and UV rays affect a roof over time? Well, one way they can affect a roof is just the constant exposure that those shingles get, which causes those roofing materials to age. And then UV rays can gradually break down the asphalt in shingles, as well as just the daily expansion and contraction of those shingles put stress on them and can cause those granulars to prematurely fall off the shingle. So the reason why granulars are so important on a shingle is not only does it give it that color and then that curb appeal that homeowners love, it's more so the granulars actually help protect the asphalt and the fiberglass matting on those shingles from UV rays and heat. Now once they're gone, the asphalt underneath deteriorates much faster. So if you're looking up at your roof from the front yard and you see little shiny spots on it, that's usually that fiberglass matting starting to show through, which can be a telltale sign that your roof has some age on it and definitely has some granular loss occurring. So the roofs that are most vulnerable to heat damage are older roofs, because older roofs have less granulars on them. As they age, some of those granulars will fall off, causing the asphalt and the fiberglass matting to get more sun exposure without those granulars protecting them. And then certain slopes on a house roof will actually tend to fade more and get more damage on them from heat and UV exposure, such as the south and west facing slopes of those roofs. And that's just due to the fact they get more exposure to the sun. And then roofs with inadequate ventilation will also suffer quite a bit more heat and UV wear and tear because they're not properly ventilated. So all that hot and humid air is just going to be baking in that attic, which can cause those shingles to bake from underneath as well, which can prematurely start wearing down those shingles. So the reason attic heat makes the problem so much worse is poor ventilation will trap heat and moisture inside that attic space, which can actually lead to mold issues in the more severe cases. And then also hot attics can increase the roof surface temperatures, which can prematurely age those shingles. So having proper roof ventilation is a key in making sure that your roof performs how it should. If you want a deeper dive on what proper roof ventilation looks like, you can check out our videos that we have on YouTube that describes what this proper ventilation looks like on a roofing system. So some of the things that homeowners can do to extend the life of the roof is just schedule regular inspections, maybe once or twice a year. And during those inspections, make sure whoever's out there is inspecting in the attic and making sure that that roof ventilation system is working properly. Another thing you guys can do is just clean the gutters and address any minor issues before they come major repairs. So as a homeowner, if you're noticing curling shingles, cracking, or those bald spots that I mentioned earlier, which would be those shiny spots that you may see up on the roof, or just rising attic temperatures or higher than average cooling bills, I'd recommend getting a qualified roofing contractor out there to determine what the issue is and what the condition of the roofing system is. The sun may not be as dramatic as a hailstorm, but year after year, it's one of the biggest factors in how long your roof lasts. Understanding how heat and UV rays affect your roofing system can help you catch problems early and get the most out of your investment. If you'd like to learn more, check out the link in the description below or give us a call at 765-561-4023 if you'd like us to inspect your roof and make sure it's holding up the way that it should.